YouTube, I got my Milwaukee Packout shit here with the Packout radio, and I just figured out a way to make the radio sound a little bit better and louder. Instead of laying your radio down on the floor like so, worrying about scratching it up or roughing up, you can put it in your Milwaukee Packout set like so. That way it gives it a little extra bump. So that way when you go to play the box, that motherfucker be bumping. Sounds a little bit better, gives it a little deeper bass in the box. I think it sounds nice. Y'all try it out, tell me what y'all think. Sounds good to me. Woo. All the Milwaukee shit. Put it back up here.